Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence for your iPhone from India. So this is especially for my Indian viewers who watch my videos on a daily basis. If you want Apple Intelligence on your iPhone and you don't have it, then let me show you how you can get it on your iPhone. So as you can see, currently my iPhone has Apple Intelligence and I'm from UK. However, if you're from India, you can also get Apple Intelligence. So let me show you how to do this. So here I've changed all the settings so my iPhone seems like it's from India. So as you can see, when I go into settings, go to Apple Intelligence and CV, as you can see, it is not available for me. So let me show you how you can get Apple Intelligence and CV for your iPhone when you're based in India. So the very first thing, you need to first make sure your iPhone has been updated to the latest version. So you can do this by going to Settings, General, and here you need to make sure your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.1. Now once that's updated, you want to go back. In Settings, you want to go into General. Now scroll down until you see Keyboard. Now here tap on Keyboard. And now here you need to make sure you have English UK added as your language. So here you'll only have English India, but if you want to get Apple Intelligence, you need to make sure you have English UK or English US added to that list. Now once that's done, go back to your settings. Now from here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap on it. Now from here tap on language, and now from here make sure you select English United States. Now go back, and now once you do this, you'll see Apple Intelligence option show up here. As you can see, go ahead and turn it on, and now Apple Intelligence has been turned on for your iPhone when you're from India. So there you go guys, that is how to enable Apple Intelligence for iPhones from India. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.